right, guys, welcome back. The rain finally stopped, so me and David's going to try to take Mr. Jones for a little rip and see what happens. I think everything's fixed.
Check that out.
Got a new sticker. Stickers going on everything. Yep. But anyway, we're going to give it a rip. Hopefully everything goes good, so let's go.
Yep.
A little bit rich. Never happened before.
Nah, but we're still not up to temp.
That's never happened before.
Alright. Gotta wait on the neighbors. We try to be friendly neighbors, even while we're out doing silly, hoonish things.
We're not hooning yet. We're just wanting to make sure we have no noises. That'd be great.
No, we're gonna do hoonish things. It's gonna happen. Alright. Dude, it's already better.
All I hear is tires slinging gravel right now.
Dude, these tires, let's see.
New tires.
It is 50 degrees. The roads are still a little wet, and yet these tires are picking up every little pebble and rock and slinging them. So, good times. Sticky Nitto 555s.
What's that noise? Clunking noise. Like a rim was hitting again or something. Okay, so we just went for a quick little ride around the block. Everything's looking good. We stopped just to make sure nothing is burning or anything. We had a little smoke coming off of the header wrap, but that's normal. We still hadn't got this thing real hot. So anyway, everything's looking good. We're just, you know, being safe, triple checking everything, and about to go for another ride. See what happens.
What are we doing?
We're gonna take it on the road.
You're gonna do what?
We have brake lights and everything, turn signals.
Nah, we got some stuff. Look at there. We're on a road with a lot of cars.
Yeah, way too many cars. Ooh, heard a bump. What's that? The alignment's still terrible, so we're just taking it easy.
The brakes light.
Didn't know where we should go.
Thought we were going out the parkway.
Well, kind of worried the patrol will be out there.
Yeah.
we're just trying to get some seat time, guys. Steering's pretty bad. That's a nice house right there. I like that. That's nice.
3-car garage.
Smell stuff burning.
Yeah. Coolant temp 163. This thing just does not get hot.
The fans aren't even like scheduled to come on until the 170s. Which way? Well, I'm like shaking.
Huh?
Nervous. Yeah. That was turbo noise.
3.6.
3.6 pounds.
3.6. So 5. Temperature's up to 168. Well, AR looks pretty decent. Air fuel. Yeah, we're still sitting at 168. Can't get no heat in this thing.
Yeah, let's take it and pop the hood one more time, look under it, just kind of take it by baby steps, guys. Baby steps.
Tell them what you're gonna do.
Yeah. So we gonna take it back to the house. Got the temperature almost to 170. Those 2 little pulls had a little bit of boost, but I just want to take baby steps, take it back to the house, pop the hood, make sure nothing's burning off too much or whatever. I don't know. Just want to be careful with it. But we did make like 5 pounds of boost just then. So a little test drive did pretty good. Went a couple miles up the road, and just looks like more of the same. The turbo wrap's just kind of burning off, but everything seems good. There was a knock whenever I pulled out in the neighborhood. I hit a bump and it had a knock, so not sure what it did, but anyways, everything's looking good. So
The front, it was a front end kind of a
front end clunk.
Yeah.
Yep. So everything's going good right now, just baby steps.
All right, so we came, let it sit for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so.
We got distracted.
Temperature made it up. It got as high as 183 when we first fired it back up. It's already coming back down to 177, but at least we're in the world where, I didn't check to see if the fans came on. We're to the point where FiTech should start learning. So we're gonna go drive some more.
It's gonna take me a little while to get comfortable with it. Plus it needed alignment, so
What?
the alignment, I want it to be right so I'm not eating tires. tires aren't that sticky that it just threw rocks everywhere.
That's entirely possible. We need to look and be sure. You gonna
we got
3-point, or you gonna ride it? You can ride old post out.
Can I go out this way?
Yeah. The plan here, what Alex is trying to duplicate the noise that we heard in the car while we were out on the test drive. When he went to launch the car, had a little bit of racket in the rear end, or from the rear of the car. The road that we were on is it's an asphalt road, but it's very coarse. We're thinking maybe the Nittos kicked up some of that heavy gravel. We were just hearing it in the wheel well, but just trying to be sure, trying to be careful, and we'll see. You know, it's just it's a process. So Alex just figured out what the sound was. We're back. When he launched the car, it had a hellacious racket. It was, we heard it from the right hand side, right rear. And come to find out, our little fire extinguisher back here in the back seat. Well, that's not where he was. He had been right here. And he was right here up against this lip of the floor, and when the car launched, there's just enough clearance for him to come up and through and then roll under the seat all the way to where he pops out back here. Then he would have hit right there and flumbled and tumbled and made a lot of racket. So, mystery solved. There's not an issue. There's not a problem. There's a fire extinguisher, and I should have been holding on to it.
Okay, so we got a pretty good ride in today, and other than that noise scaring the crap out of us, thought we broke something, but that was I guess that was that fire extinguisher. So that scared the crap out of us. Thought we broke something, but good ride. Got into boost a few times, and this setup bites so hard. You could see I was trying to do like a burnout in the garage, and it just wanted to hook and go. So it's coming along. First ride today was pretty good, so feeling good about it. And I'm gonna try to get it to the alignment shop pretty soon, because it was trying to get away from me. As I got a little more speed up and stuff, it tried to get away from me. So just want to be safe, and also don't want to eat up those brand new tires. But yeah, also we hadn't been able to get the cooling fan to come on, so I don't know if that's a wiring issue on my part or a FiTech setting thing. So got to get that figured out. But there's some little things I'm gonna probably tweak on this week, and hopefully, I don't know, we need to figure out the plan of attack here. Need to get the cage if it's gonna go to the track. If we're just gonna do some driving, then we need to get seat belts in it. But we need to get all that figured out and what we're gonna do. I want this FiTech to really get dialed in before I just lay into it in the track. So maybe we just need to throw some seat belts in, keep doing some test drives and playing with it. So anyways, that's going to do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later.